Okay, students. So now we'll solve word problems on linear inequalities. So the question is, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in the first two tests. Then find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Okay? Ravi got 70 and 75 marks in the first two tests. So what should be his marks in the third test? So that average marks will be at least 60. Okay? So its solution. In the first test he got 70 marks. In the second test he got 75 marks. Now let in the third test he got X marks. Okay? If he get X marks in the third test, minimum X marks and at least X marks, then he will get at least 60 marks average. Now average marks, according to question, average marks is equal to at least 60 na? At least means minimum 60, maximum can be more than. How many marks he should get in the third test so that average should be 60 or maybe more than 60, no problem na? So average marks is at least 60 means more than equal to 60. This is our average marks. Now how to find average? There are three tests. So how to find average marks on these three tests? Average sum of all the observations. So add 70 plus 75 and X. Then divide by number of observation. Sum of observations upon number of observation. So this is more than equal to 60. Now 70 plus 75 is 145 plus X is more than equal to. It is more positive only, so we can cross multiply. So 60 into 3, 180. Okay? If it is negative, then this sign will change. Right? So X will be more than 180 minus 145. So it is X more than equal to 180 minus 145 is 30. So Ravi should get minimum 35 marks. At least 35 marks if he get, then his average marks will be at least 60. So he should get 35 or more than 35 marks to get an average of 60 marks. Okay? Note down. Okay, now question is, find all the pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5. Now we need pairs of consecutive even positive integers. We need two even positive integers and the sum both are larger than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. Both should be larger than 5, more than 5, and their sum is less than 23. We need two even positive integer. Number should be even, positive, and also consecutive. And both should be larger than 5 and their sum should be less than 23. Okay? So suppose consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? The consecutive numbers which have difference 1 are called consecutive numbers. Here we have consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even positive integers. So if in case of even, difference of two numbers is 2, then they can be even, consecutive even or consecutive odd. Okay? So here let the numbers be X and X plus 2 because difference will be 2. So one number is X and another will be X plus 2. Okay? And here it is positive integer. Now these are positive. So X is smaller than X plus 2. X is positive, then X plus 2 will be more than this X. So it is small number, it is greater number, larger number. Now their sum is less than 23. So according to question, their sum, so X plus 2 is less than 23. Okay, this is given. So from this we get 2x less than 23 minus 2, 21. Then X is less than 21 by 2 and 2 is positive, so this sign remain as it is. So x is less than 10.5. From the question we get one condition like this. Then when it is one more thing given, both of which are larger than 5, both the numbers are larger than 5. So x plus 2 is more than x. So if x plus 2 is larger than 5, okay, x is larger than 5, x plus 2 is larger than 5, both are more than 5. So if x is more than 5, definitely x plus 2 will be more than 5 because it is more than this. ठीक है ना? 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 10, 5, 15. Both are larger than 5. If 10 is larger than 5, okay, then definitely 15 is larger than 5 because 15 is more than 10. So here both are larger than 5 and x is more than 5. So definitely x plus 2 will be more than 5 because x plus 2 is more than x. So from this we take x is more than 5. Only one condition we take. X more than 5, so definitely x plus 2 will be more than 5 only. If your question is both are smaller than 5, then what will do? Then we take larger number. If x plus 2 is less than 5, so definitely if greater number is in this 2, this is greater. If this less than 5, so definitely x will be less than 5 only. जब दो नंबर हैं इनमें से ये इससे बड़ा है और अगर ये 5 से छोटा होगा तो डेफिनेटली ये भी 5 से छोटा होगा. यहां पर दोनों नंबर 5 से बड़े हैं और अगर x 5 से बड़ा होगा तो x plus 2 definitely 5 से बड़ा होगा because x plus 2 is more than x. So in case of larger you take small number, in case of less we take greater number. If both are smaller than 5 ऐसा बोला होता then x plus 2 को हम लेते, x plus 2 is less than 5, ये यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो x is more than 5, x is less than 10.5. So from 1 into what we are getting, x is more than 5, x less than 10.5, so we get like this. ठीक है, तो x more than 5 less than 10.5. Now x is an even number, so between this 5 and 10.5, what is value of x? So x will be 6 or 8 or 10. So x can be 6, 10, 8, 6, 8 and 10. Three values of x can be. So your required pairs will be, if x is 6, so 6 and 6 plus 2 is your number pair, 6, 8. If x is 8, then 8 plus 2. If x is 10, then 10 plus 2. So these are our required pairs. See, both are greater than 5. Then their sum, 14 less than 23, 18 less than 22 less than. So these are the pairs, okay, of two consecutive even positive integers in which the sum is less than 23 and both are more than 5. So to be careful on here, both are larger than one number, so we take smaller number, okay, because definitely it will be more than that given number because it is more than that. And if it is given smaller than 5, both are smaller than 5, so in this case we take greater number. From that greater number we make an equation. Okay? After that we get one combined equation. In equation, from that we can find values of x. We take only even number because x is even only. So between 5 and 10.5, how many even numbers are there that we can take, and from that we can make pairs. These are our required pairs. Okay? Please note down. Okay, now question is, a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. Okay, a man has one board of length 91 centimeter, and now he want to cut into 3 pieces. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. So what are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second? So first we'll start. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So let the length of shortest board, length of the shortest board is x centimeter. The second length is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. If length of shortest board is x, so the length of second board will be x plus 3. 3 is more, 3 centimeter longer. So second length will be x plus 3. So, and the length of third board will be, what is given? The third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. Third one is twice of shortest. So third will be twice of shortest, twice of x. So these are the 3 lengths. Okay? So one piece of 91 centimeter divided into 3 parts. So what will happen? If we add these 3 pieces, x, x plus 3 and 2x. So this length will be 91. But when we cut this board into 3 pieces, there will be some loss. So this length cannot be exactly 91. Maybe, may not be. In some cases, it can be less than also. Because there will be some loss when we cut something. Suppose one pan is there. If we cut into 2 pieces, again we add, some loss will be there. One chalk piece, if we cut into 2 pieces, and again if we add, we cannot get complete chalk. There will be some loss. So it is less than or equal to 91. Maybe there is no loss, then 91. If there is some loss, it can be less than 91. So now x, 2x is 4x and 91 minus 3, 88. Then x is less than equal to 88 by 4. And again 4 is positive, so sign will remain same. So x is less than equal to 22. So in one case we got x less than 22. Okay? So x is less than equal to 22 from the one condition. Then one more condition given. Third piece means what? 2x. Third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer. Suppose we say third piece is 5 centimeter longer than the second. The third piece is 5 centimeter longer, so plus 5, then second one, and second one length x plus 3. So in case of equation will be like this: 2x is equal to x plus 3 plus 5. But here it is given third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer. At least it can be 5 or maybe more than 5. So here sign will be more than equal to. So third piece 2x is more than equal to x plus 3 plus 5. That will give you, we can transpose x. So we get 2x minus x equal to 3 plus 5, 8, means x is more than equal to 8. So from 1 and 2, what we get? X less than 22, less than equal to 22, and x more than equal to 8. So x is more than equal to 8, x less than equal to 22. It means length of shortest one is 8 or more than 8, or 22 or less than 22.